I've wanted to be a scientist since I was about 8 years old. I was one of the sort of the prototypical science geek. We didn't know back then in the 60s that we were one day going to be ruling the world. Glad to see that we're doing that. And so I ended up just taking every science course I could as an undergrad, doing basic research, project and honors project sort of thing, before going off to UCSF, where I got a PhD in the mid-90s. And I was very fortunate at that point to get drawn into a company called Solaric. It was the first company spun out of Genentech in the early 1990s. Excuse me, and to make a long story short, it was not only a great learning experience for me, I was one of the directors of biology, but it also went public with the sort of a dream come true. We were all filthy rich, and then 6 months later we were all completely poor. It was like that incredible era of rags to riches to rags, that's how I like to refer to it. The company did end up getting purchased for about $2 billion by Amgen, so everybody who stayed involved and stayed with it actually ended up doing quite well. Of course, I had left by then. And I went and I founded a company here in San Diego called Calypsis. It was a spin-out from Novartis. Raised a lot of money, spent a lot of money. We put 5 compounds in the clinic, and at the moment 4 have completely failed. And we got our hopes hanging on the one final remaining one. It just shows you how incredibly difficult it is. I mean, we had hundreds of millions of dollars, and we were still not able to put, a drug on the market. Very, very difficult area, as you all know. I left Calypsis to found a company called Assay Depot. It's a science marketplace. It's also a source of jobs, I think.